Hi David, nice meeting you here today on the Ish in Frankfurt. Well, we know each other for many years meanwhile,
Yes.
and anyway, it's nice to say hello to you here again. And
Good to see you again.
Thank you, and I hope I can give you some new information for you today, because we introduce here our black system today a little bit more in detail, and well, I think this can give some real value to you and your customers in the US.
Definitely. So how long has this product been out?
Well, actually, the development started already 10 years ago,
Okay.
but yeah, it was step by step really developed, and yeah, today I think we have reached a final stage where we can say, okay, now it's really well placed already in the market in Germany and many other countries, and especially for doing an easy start with this black system, we can offer, for example, a shower heating. That means we do a corner heating in the shower corner, and this can be very nice and comfortable to the customer if he has not the possibility to install it in the ceiling or in the floor. And only in the shower corner it can be already give so much value and so much comfort to the customer. Sure. Really fantastic.
So it would really make the shower a lot more comfortable for the homeowner, getting in and out and feeling that warm tile around you. Okay.
Absolutely.
Now, does it come in different sizes or just like this?
Well, the size range is huge actually. The length of the grids from this direction is from 50 centimeter up to 5 meter.
Okay.
And that's 15 feet.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And everything in between is possible.
Okay.
And
so we could order the panels to fit the shower enclosure that we want, or the wall space we're trying to fill.
Of course, yes.
Okay.
And any size you need, and even the adjustments we are planning to do at the moment to give these measurements really also in US units.
Yes.
Means we don't need to convert anymore. You will have in the book in the future really our correct sizes in inch and feet.
Can we tie this into our existing heating system with multiple different types of water supply temperatures?
Also this you can do, but there we have to look at the system in detail. We try to go with low temperatures, and this even gives us the energy saving aspect on that.
So we could run this off of the floor temperatures with the radiant floor heat and have a cooler supply temperature and have more efficient boiler condensation.
Oh yeah, absolutely, okay. Absolutely.
And I think the homeowners would really enjoy that comfort feeling in and out of the shower.
Yes.
What other applications could we use it in the bathroom in?
Well, in the bathroom, another option could be install it behind the mirror.
Okay.
So when you take a shower, you usually have the condensation, the mist, steam, and install this behind the mirrors on the washing basin.
Okay.
Keep it nice and clean always.
Okay.
You don't need to take a towel and clean it.
Yeah, that would be nice. Yeah.
And another thing could be use it as a towel dryer.
Okay.
So also place it inside the wall, covered by tiles.
Okay.
And on the end you just place a towel holder.
Okay.
On top of the wall.
Okay.
The only thing you see is the towel holder, and you put your towel on. It will be dried very quick.
Okay.
And you don't see the radiator.
Well, and I see that in some of your examples that you don't have to tile over the wall in every scenario, right? You can have different surfaces on the wall behind or in front of this material?
Okay, this is also an issue about do the calculation of the output.
Okay.
Means if we have this installed in plaster system, then the output is good. If you have it in drywall construction, it's slightly different.
Sure.
Then
Makes
you can
sense.
install it in the ceiling if you have, for example, a cooling system, also possible.
Okay.
Then you can use, for example, a sheet metal ceiling.
Okay.
And you have standard sizes in the US for this, I guess.
Yes, we do.
And then we can create grids fitting in these standard sizes of the your standard ceiling tiles.
Well, I like how thin the panels are too. It's pretty easy to fit those in and be able to plaster over them or fit them into a narrow wall space.
Oh, yes, very easy to do.
Well, we look forward to seeing some of this product come to the U.S. And have you had any installations yet in the U.S.?
Oh, yes, we Actually, at the moment, have done some very nice reference projects in Chicago. One is the Loyola University, or part of this Loyola.
Oh, yes.
It's a huge
university,
university, but part of it is a 10-story building where they install it in the ceiling.
Okay. And are they using that for heating only or also cooling?
In this case, it's heating and cooling.
And cooling.
And it's a dual pipe system, they call it.
Okay.
Means 2 pipes, so flow and return is used for heating and cooling, and they switch this in the boiler room.
Okay, makes sense. And I think this could be a huge energy savings too, because looking at some of the outputs you've talked about here, it really, we can lower our water temperatures and heat our homes and buildings with compressor technology off of heat pumps and geothermal applications rather than having to necessarily burn gas. And,
oh yes, yes. Now, to give you an idea of these numbers, when you look at a radiator system in the past, we do the calculation usually for 21 or 22 degrees C room temperature. But in this case, we have to consider the moving air inside the room. Means the convection of the radiator. In this case, we have radiation. We don't have the convection. Means less dust in the room. Means also we can reduce the room temperature by roughly 2 degrees. And this means 12% energy saving over the year.
Wow,
it's quite a number just to do just for a radiation system.
I wouldn't mind saving 12% on my heating bills.
You see that?
Okay. Thank you for sharing it with us.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.